Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Louise Rose. I am a naturopathic physician at Rose Cabinet Medicine. Here's my office. I want to talk to you today a little bit about our wonderful Adaptiv line. I'm going to start with a personal story, which I don't usually do as a doctor, but it was just such a great testimonial that I really wanted to share it with you. So recently, a week or so ago, I was having a pretty deep depressive episode, which is very unusual for me. It was situational, and looking back on it, I can really see why I was feeling the way I was. But depression is not something that is a familiar thing for me, so it was pretty severe, and I spent the whole day in bed. The next day, I got up and had to do some work, and in the course of my work, was talking about the supplement Adaptiv, and thought to myself, oh, I guess maybe I should take some. So I had some in my drawer, and I just popped one capsule and didn't think about it. And then literally less than an hour later, I thought to myself, wow, I feel normal. I feel back to my baseline. And I did not revisit that deep sense of depression. One capsule was enough to lift me. And it surprised me because when I was learning about Adaptiv, when doTERRA first released it, I was thinking of it in terms of when we're feeling anxious or stressed or revved up, it's going to help us calm down. I did not think about it in terms of bringing someone up. And I didn't realize how fast acting it was. But now that I've really done some more research and learned more about the ingredients and how they work synergistically, I do understand it a little bit more. And it is a very well designed supplement, and it is designed to be used for situational stressors. So it is fast acting, and we should expect to feel something pretty quickly when we take it. My husband has been taking it regularly every morning for a few months now, and what I'm noticing with him, and he as well, is just sort of more focus and less static in the brain, and that is something that I'm hearing kind of universally as well. So how does it work in the body, and what's going on with the stress? So first of all, when I teach about the stress response in the body and the nervous system, I like people to understand that our body responds with chemical messengers to any perceived threat. So it does not have to be a real threat. We can be having anxious thoughts about an upcoming job review, for instance, thinking that our boss is not happy with our performance. That may or may not have any basis in fact, but yet our body is going to respond as if we're under threat, under danger. And so what happens is our heart rate speeds up, our blood vessels dilate, all the blood goes to our muscles so that we can prepare to run away from the danger or stay and fight. Our adrenaline goes up, our heart rate increases, our blood sugar goes up, our digestion shuts down. We don't need to digest food if we're under threat. Our hormonal system is also not important. Our immune system, we'll deal with that later. Right now we need to get out of danger. So that's a wonderful adaptive stress response if in fact there is a real threat, and that we respond to it, and then it's over and we go back to our normal, safe, calm, digestive life. But as you know, in our modern culture, we are seeing these perceived threats left and right, whether it's financial or political or fighting with our teenage child. So our stress response is amped up, and we're finding that we're living in that hyper vigilant, looking for danger around the corner. And what Adaptiv does, it's very beautiful. It disrupts that feedback loop, and it just gives you, it's like taking a pause to then reevaluate, wow, okay, my blood pressure came down. It's like stepping on the brakes for a minute. We also can do that through taking a deep breath. You know, if you're running late for something and your stress is coming up and then you realize, okay, well, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm just going to take a deep breath, calm down. Your body physiologically relaxes and you can cope with the stressor better. Adaptiv is like taking a deep breath in the body. I think that's all for now. Catch me later on the next video.